GarageBand for iPad and iPhone gives you 8 bars to work with by default when you first open the app. You have the option to not only extend the length of your project almost indefinitely, but also organise it into clearly defined sections. Here's how it works. Alright, first off, in your project, you're going to want to tap the Song Section button. It's this wee plus icon in the top corner. When you tap the Song Section button, the tracks view will change to show all existing sections in your song, and the ruler shows the letter of each section at the beginning of that section. To have your project match the length of your recordings, simply tap Section A and then tap the automatic toggle switch here. Your project will be one big section that will last as long as you choose to record into it. To add separate sections like an intro, verse or chorus etc., open the Song Sections controls and tap Add. The new empty section will be added after the last section. Tap anywhere in the tracks view to close the Song Section controls, or you can keep adding new sections if you wish. To change the length of a section, open the Song Section controls, then tap the Inspector button. Then tap the up or down arrow next to Manual to lengthen or shorten the section incrementally by bars. You can swipe vertically to change it in larger increments if you want. You can also duplicate sections by simply tapping the duplicate option. This is really handy if you have a verse, then a chorus, and want to repeat the verse again. You can just use the duplicate function and you'll have another verse of exactly the same length. You can play different sections by swiping left or right in the tracks view until you get to your desired section, or you can open the Song Section controls, then choose manually the section you want to play. To play all sections in the song one after another, choose All Sections. Finally, if you want to change the order of your sections, open the Song Section controls, then tap Edit. Drag a section up or down in the list by the handle on its right edge, and when you're finished, tap Done. As it stands at the moment, Section A will play into Section B, and then on into Section C. If I change the position of Section C to be below Section A, it will play immediately after Section A finishes playing. And you can carry on like this for as many different sections in your song. It's a really great way to build and structure your project. Speaking of structuring your project, if you find that you just don't have enough tracks in a project and would like to add more instruments or recordings, watch this next.